Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mukarram Ali. Today I am here to present you the car rental management system that has been developed in C# using object-oriented programming. The tool that I used for this system is Microsoft Visual Studio Commiunty 2019. Before going into the video, I would like you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, and don't forget to like the video. So let's get into the video. Actually, this system is designed following the terminology of CRUD operations. This system follows all the 4 operations of CRUD like create, retrieve, update and delete. If you want the code of this program, then you have to comment in the comment section. So without wasting time, let's start the program. On the very first, there comes the sign-in form. Here user has the option to create an account. Here he can put his email and then password, and after that he select his user role and he can create an account. In the sign-in form, the user can put his email and then password, and then he can sign in and open his portal. This is the portal of the employee. He has many options in the navigation bar. So first of all, we are going into the registration. In this form, the employee can register the customer if the customer want to rent the car. Now the registration is complete, then he can proceed to generate bill. Here the total of the customer is generated. After this, he can proceed to the payment method. Here are 4 payments method and he can select one of them. Now the payment is proceeded. Now the employee can move to view the registered customers data. Here all the information of the registered customers is shown. He can also edit and delete data from here. He can also view all the cars that has been registered in the company. He can also add more cars in the company. Now we can see that the car has been added in the view cars data at the bottom. Now if he wants to update this car, then he can also do it. Now at the bottom you can see that the car has been updated. Employee can also search the car from here. He can also search the customer's data by putting the CNIC of the customer. Now from here I am going to copy the CNIC and putting it in the searching form. Now you can see as we have put in the CNIC and the data is shown. Now the employee can also view its profile. He can also change its details from here. He can change password like anything. He can also delete its account. And now we are going to log out from here and again creating an account. Now we are going to create an account of customer and we are going to show its portal to you. this is the portal of the customer. From here he can view its bookings. In order to view its bookings, he has to put its CNIC, and now he can view its bookings from here. He can also cancel its bookings from here, like as you can see that. Now the booking has been cancelled. He can also give its feedback about the company service. He can also search the cars from here. Customer can also view its profile and can perform the same actions as the employee can do. Now we are going to log out and check out the functioning of forget password. The password now has been changed, and now the customer can enter its portal. In case if the customer put the wrong password, then the notification will be shown of invalid password, as you can see. So that was it. This is my car rental management system that I developed. Now again, if you want the code of this program, then you have to comment in the comment section. If you like my video, kindly like, share and subscribe.